Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Pelumi, and I'm back with another video. In today's video I am going to be doing the cross legwork tutorial, so just make sure you pay attention because a lot of people are finding it very hard to get this dance step, so I might as well just do a tutorial for you guys. So just make sure you pay attention. Okay, pay attention because it's kind of difficult at first, but when you get the hang of it, you'll be like, wow. I would have gone outside to do this dance, but like the weather is not favoring me right now. It's so windy and it's raining again, so guys, I just have to do it inside. So let's get started. Let's do it. Let's do this. Just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to all your family, your friends. Okay, let them know how to do this dance step too. So guys, yes, let's just get started. So guys, you want to get used to this. Boom. You hop on one leg like this and you make the other one curved. Let's do that again. Just like get used to this movement. Do this. Boom, drop, boom, drop, boom, drop, boom, drop, boom, drop. So I just want you guys to get used to this hopping and curving on your other leg. So just get used to that. This. So when you do this, it's kind of like the crossed one makes this shape. It's like a P shape. So it's P. Let's try that again. So boom, boom. The second leg will look like this. Boom, boom. So guys, that is all, and I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do from here onwards. It is 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. 1, drop, drop. So the one that is curved goes down first, and then your back leg starts. So 1, drop, drop. Let's do that again. 1, drop, drop. Again. 1, drop, drop. Now let's keep doing that so you can get used to it. So 1, drop, drop. 1, drop this leg, drop. So now let's practice with this other leg. 1, drop, drop. Again. 1, drop, drop. Again. 1, drop, drop. Again. 1, drop, drop. Now let's do both of them together. 1, drop, drop. 1, drop, drop. 1, drop, drop. 1, drop, drop. So make sure that this leg goes back enough so that this leg will come out in this shape. So it goes back enough. Cross over, cross over, cross over. Something like that. So let's do that again. Cross, drop, drop. Cross your leg, drop, drop. Cross, drop, drop. Cross, drop, drop. Don't think about it too much, just do it. So cross it, drop it, touch, cross it, drop it, touch. So this one in front is the one that goes back when you want to use your other leg. So watch me. This, drop, drop. This is in front, it goes back. This, drop, drop. It is in front, it goes back. This, drop, drop. In front, it goes back. This, drop, drop. So now, yes, that is all you have to do. Now, let me do like a slow motion so you guys can see it really well. try to speed it up. Let's try to speed it up so you can get used to it fast. So guys, let me speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you see that I kind of go down like this when I do that. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fast now. Let's do it very fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So guys, that is it, and yeah, we'll do it one more time, and I'm going to play music and we dance together. For your hands, I don't think there's a specific thing to do with your hands. It's just, I think it's up to you. So yeah, just let me just show you guys an example. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Your hands can just like move forward with your legs. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, no, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let me do it in slow motion again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the leg that is in front is the one that goes back next for your other leg to come up, and then you drop the one that is curved like this, drop it down and take this and touch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Guys, that's so guys, are you ready? Slow first and then we'll make it fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, fast. Now